Guys, so the double header today is talking about the double header two matches. First, I will talk about the first match, the KKR versus Kings 11 Punjab. So, talking about both the teams, KKR is in a very good position while the Kings 11 Punjab is in a bottom of the table. Now, talking about the today's pitch, the Abu Dhabi. Our trend is that you just bat first and give a decent score and then defend. But now the it is afternoon game, so no dew will decide this match. There is no dew, so now it is up to your strategy that how you what you win toss and choose to bat or ball because in this pitch the pitch is slightly bigger as compared to Sharjah. So here what is think the slower bowlers, the ball means you can slower ball means 120 kilometer per hour or 125 kilometers per hour bowler can take wickets here. The slower bowler can take wickets, otherwise the run is this pitch is good scoring match also. Other than Sharjah we see the 200 runs in Abu Dhabi, Dubai. So it's up to the team now that how they balanced. Now talking about the performance of both, yet performance is not good for as far as concerned about the Kings 11 Punjab. I don't know what they are doing. They are just experimenting, change so many changes. He did so many changes, being Akshadip Nath, then being Simran as a wicket keeper, and then bring someone new every day the experiment, but always the experimenter failed. Only two matches Chris Jordan has given. So it is really unpredictable for Punjab that how they go in further competition, because if they lose this match now, from next matches they have to win every match so that they can qualify, otherwise they will out of the IPL. Talking about the batting, the very good batting here, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal, they are in a top of the orange cap, but their team is not performing. Problem is of middle order, no Maxwell is there. I think today in playing 11 it may be Gale will present. Yesterday previous match also Gale was present, but Gale does not come because of some stomach burning problem. So it may be possible that today Gale will play and give some chance to Kings 11 Punjab to stay in this contest. Otherwise, Tata bye bye for Kings 11 Punjab. Now talking about the Kolkata Knight Riders, what this team has played. This team is a champion. Is a champion, but his captain decision always plays vital role in team loss. Dinesh Karthik just experimenting their batting position. Sometime Kuldeep Yadav is there. Sometime bring Rahul Tripathi playing in number 8. In previous match give the opening, and then you see the result. The Kolkata Knight Riders beat Chennai Super King in a very last over. Use the trump card Andre Russell and Sunil Narayan. So if Punjab want to win this match now, just what to do? The KKR has to do so many mistakes so that Punjab can win this match. Otherwise, from my side, the favorite is Kolkata Knight Riders today. That they can win this match very easily, unless the Dinesh Karthik do any disturbance in batting lineup for Kolkata. Otherwise, the Kolkata bowling department very good. Talk about Andre Russell and Sunil Narayan also very good. Really impressive bowling, and CSK unable to chase the target. Now talking about the second double header. Second double header is also like the same, the losers and winners. RCB and CSK. CSK also, if they does not win this match now, it is very difficult for them to stay in the tournament. So CSK lost the match against KKR, which they can win easily. In 10 overs you are 90 for 1, and after that you lose this match very easily. A very problem for CSK that they have no replacement players. How which player they can replace? So that is a problem for CSK. So that they can't be able to win the match easily. They lost the match by 10 runs, 7 runs. These matches very hurt them really. And what the Chennai will do? So it's all depend upon their three: Watson, Faf, and Ambati Raidu. MS Dhoni is still not in a form. So it is interesting to see how they play against RCB. We are talking about the RCB. RCB has ups and downs in this tournament, but you can say now he is slightly stable. Talking about previous match, the RCB was not in a good form, but good sign is that the Virat Kohli is in a form. So they have good informed batsmen in top order. Devdutt Palekar, Aaron Finch, Virat Kohli, and AV de Villiers. So these four are very good, and it may be possible that today, if Chris Morris will come, then they will boost the batting lineup. So in this match also, by seeing the performance of recent IPL, I think RCB can win this match. Otherwise, the pitches of Dubai evening game, so batting first will be very good. Let's see who will win the toss and what will be the interesting to see the change in CSK, what they will change, or they will give it same lineup. Then there is change in batting also.